In this video, I picked out two different exam questions where we can use different rules of logarithms. So starting with this first one, you might notice that x is a power. In order to solve it, we need to somehow bring it down so it's not a power. And that's where we use this log rule. But in order to bring it down, we first need to apply logs to both sides. To help, we're actually going to choose a base on the logarithm that matches the number where x is a power of. So here, that's 3. I'll show you later why we chose that specific number, but we're going to apply log base 3 to both sides of this equation. After you've done that, now we can use a rule that where there's a power in a logarithm, you can bring that forward as a coefficient, and we can bring the x forward, so it becomes x log base 3 of 3 equals log base 3 of 13, keeping the right hand side the same for now. Now log base 3 of 3 is just equal to 1, the same way that log base 5 of 5 is also equal to 1. So we can just say that x multiplied by 1, or just simply x, is equal to log base 3 of 13. And that's pretty much it for that question. You can then put the rest of that into your calculator, which I'll quickly do right now. And that'll get you a value of 2.33 to 3 significant figures. That's your final answer. Great. Moving on to part A of this question, it tells you that y is equal to log base 2 of x, and it's asking you to find expressions of this and this. Let's break this down first. So I've written a few prompts if you want to have a go yourself, but what we can do here is take the power of 2 forward as a coefficient. So we can say that this can be rewritten as 2 log base 2 of x, and then we can replace log base 2 of x with y, so then it's just equal to 2y. What we can do here to integrate the fact that y is equal to log base 2 of x is you can separate this into two separate logarithms, because it's essentially 2 multiplied by x. And what we know is that when the inside of a logarithm is multiplied, that's the same as the individual logarithms added together. So we can say that's log base 2 of 2 plus log base 2 of x. Log base 2 of 2, like we mentioned before, when the base matches the term inside of the logarithm, that's just equal to 1. And then log base 2 of x, we can just replace that with y. So it's 1 plus y. Hopefully that all made sense. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll post a new video every single day. And I've linked my email in the description. If you have any tutoring inquiries, be sure to reach out.